Good morning, student. Welcome back to the Bharat Education Society's Kartika High School and Junior College online class of Computer for Standard 5. Let us start with our lesson number 9, Word Tools. Word has three main tools, and today in this lesson we are going to learn in details about these three tools. The first tool is the word art, then is the clip art, and then is the smart art. So let us start with our first tool, that is the word art. Now basically what is word art? Let us learn now what is word art. The word art feature helps to create special effects to the text to make it look attractive. It is very useful in creating posters and greeting cards. Now to use this tool, we have few steps to be done. Now let us see what are the steps, how do we use this tool. Firstly, you have to click on the Insert tab and select the word art from the text group. Please see the image. This is the image of the Insert tab. You can see the ribbon. On the right hand side of the ribbon, there is one button called Word Art. Can you see it? Okay. As you click on the Word Art button, the Word Art gallery appears. Please see in the image. The first circle is the Insert tab. Then the second circle is the Word Art button. As you clicked on the second button, the Word Art gallery appears. Please see in the image below there is a gallery which is opened up. Now click on the word art style you wish to apply. Please, you can choose the style from this gallery. I choose the third circle. You can see the third circle. I choose this style. Then as you choose the style, the edit word text dialog box appears. Then you have to type the text you want to display as word art. Once you type, then you click on OK button. After clicking on the OK button, the document looks like this. In this document, I have colored the page so that the wordings can be easily seen to you all clearly. You can see the wordings, welcome to the word art tool button. This is the wordings which I had typed in the word art text. The next tool is the smart art tool. What is the smart art? Smart art is a very useful graphic tool that helps to create graphical illustrations to present information in an easy to understand manner. This illustration creates an effective image to add in your document. Please see the image. Please see the arrow. This is your Smart Art button, which is there available in the Insert tab. Now let us learn how do we use the Smart Art button. For using the Smart Art button, first thing you have to click on the Insert tab. Please see the image, the Insert tab. Then click on the Smart Art button. That is, select the category from the left pane to choose the Smart Art window. Then choose Require Format Blocks from the list. Please see the second image, the required format block. And then once you select, click on the OK button. A block diagram with task pane appears. See the image? To insert text in the blocks, double click on the blocks or left click in the text box of the task pane and start typing. To add shape or modify design of the smart art, you can select the design and selecting the smart art. You can see this image as you click on the right side button. The dialog box opens up. Now from this you can change the shape whatever you want. The third tool is the clip art tool of the Word document. Now what is clip art? The clip art feature allows you to add images to your document. A picture speaks 1,000 words. Thus, clip art often helps to convey the message more efficiently than words. By putting the picture, we are able to convey the messages more efficiently. The clip art gallery also includes sounds and motion clips which can be inserted in the document. Motion clips are what? Motion clips are the videos. Now, how do we insert a clip art or how can we use this button? For using this button, firstly we have to decide where we want the clip art to be placed. Then click on the clip art option in the Insert tab. That is the illustration group. Please see the image. This is the image of the Insert tab. This is the illustration group. This is the clip art button. A window pop-up appears at the right-hand side of the screen. Select the Organize Clip and Office Collection. Please see the image. This is the image of the Office Collections. Now select the desired category. Click on the small arrow beside the required clip art image. Please see the image. We searched for the football and the football images appeared. Now this is the small arrow. So now you have to click on the small arrow beside the required clip art image. Click on the copy button. Click on the close button to return to the document. And lastly, right click anywhere in the document to paste the. To insert a picture. Now in clip art you learned how to insert a picture from the web. Now in this we will learn how to insert a picture which is available in your computer or PC. To make a document paragraph more attractive and understandable, pictures can be inserted in the following manner. Click on the Insert tab. Select picture from the illustrations group. This is the image of your Insert tab. This is the picture button. Now as you click on the picture button, the dialog box appears. Insert picture from file. Okay. As you click on the picture button, this picture dialog box appears. Here you can browse from the picture you want to insert. You can browse the picture from the files you want to insert. As you select the picture, you can click on the Insert button and the picture gets inserted. Here I mark the end of this lesson. We will meet again with our next lesson in our next video. Till then, be home, be safe and be healthy.